YouTube, I am back with a requested video. This is actually my first requested video I ever got on my YouTube channel. So I am so proud and excited to film this for you. I don't have a fancy way on how I do my scarves, but it's very simple and it gets the job done. I need to retwist. I have a lot of new growth and I'm actually, look at that. I have a lot of new growth. So I'm actually holding out because I want to try out this new salon nearby, and I haven't made an appointment yet, so I'm procrastinating, but I want to get in there and see if they could see if I like them. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. When I first did my head wraps, a lot of them I did them when my locks were shorter and it was cold outside and I wanted to cover my head without making my hair all frizzy and crazy. So a lot of my locks, a lot of my scarves, I did that when my hair was shorter. So now that my hair is longer, I have to make sure I push them up a lot. First one I'm going to use is a basic black scarf. I forget where I got this scarf. You can get these things anywhere. You can get it from Walmart. You can get them any store that sells scarves. So it's actually 68 degrees here on the East Coast, so it's perfect weather for a scarf. So now, so right now I use a headband. I use a headband to pull my hair up. You want to have your hair up. That is the goal. You want to have your hair up. So now that your hair is up, you want to take your scarf in the back, and you can put it underneath your ears, you can put it over your ears, no matter what you want to do. So you got to have it like this. Make sure nothing like that is going on. You have two, let's just say you have just one end of the scarf, the other end of the scarf. You could twist them. You could twist it like this. Make sure all your locks are in. You're going to have a little puff up there. First thing you can do is twist it. And then you can take it in the direction that you want to start. I'm going to go this way. And usually it works better to see wherever your scarf buckles at, but once it starts to buckle, take it around, keep twisting, and now at this point you want to start tucking. You want to tuck it. Tuck all those loose strands in there. And that's how I do my little, I don't even know what you would call it, 2-strand twist bun, I don't know. This is a similar scarf. It's blue, very pretty. I actually got this from a thrift store. Very, very nice pattern. And they give you a little dimension, different shades, different colors. Really, really nice. Same technique, you're gonna put it over your hair. Now when you have it up, this time, you can twist it. You don't even have to do the 2-strand. If you don't know how to do that, or if that first one didn't work for you, you can twist it just one way, like this. It's time to wrap it around. And then tuck it. Same way, very easy, very simple. I've been doing it the same way for forever. I'm going to use this scarf now. I actually got this in the thrift store too. Don't sleep on the thrift store because you can find a lot of cool stuff at the thrift store. Okay, so you want to make sure you have that. Okay. Now, you're going to twist it. You have your hair you're going to leave out, and then you have your ponytail that you're going to wrap the scarf around. Now I'm not going to do the whole thing because I kind of want it to be nice and big up top, but you see it's buckling now, so it's time. Start twisting it around. Twist it around. Until you have your knot. Have it like on the side, kind of like that. Okay. So now you have it. So that is my tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. It's very, very simple, very, very easy. Something I've been doing for a long time, and it's so convenient when you need a retwist, or when your hair isn't the way you want it to be today, or it's just not cooperating. So this is the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace, love, and light. Mwah.